Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can close your Discord server. The first thing that you will have to do after opening your Discord is you will go to your server, the server that you would want to close. So basically, what you will have to do is just click it, and once you're on the server, what you will have to do is you will look for the settings. You will just have to click this arrow right here, and then you will click server settings, and now you will just have to look for the lit server, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will again enter your server name so that you will be able to delete it totally. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.